A journey's beginning, a journey's ending, where tales from near and far are blending. Doliva. The Near East, a voice once heard. The veil, Doliva, Kaluuya's memory stirred. The forgotten children, a woman now grown, the Lokres song she once had known. The tale of childhood's valley flows, with fleeting joys and many woes. Kaluuya listens with a gentle mind, the lullaby of the forgotten children, hearts bind.